Are you looking for the best drones under $100? In this video we will look at some of the 5 best drones under $100 on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description for each product mentioned. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Starting at number 1. Holy Stone HS110D. The Holy Stone HS110D is a beginner-friendly drone featuring a 1080p HD FPV camera with a 120 degrees wide-angle lens that captures clear, distortion-free images and streams live footage directly to your phone. Designed for ease of use, it includes altitude hold, allowing the drone to hover steadily without joystick control, making it perfect for beginners, kids, and newcomers. The drone also offers headless mode for easier navigation when out of sight, plus fun 3D flips. Through the companion app, users can access multiple controls such as voice commands, gesture control, trajectory flight, and gravity sensor control, including gestures like scissors for photos and paper for videos. It comes with 2 modular batteries that provide up to 20 minutes of flight time, making battery replacement and charging safe and convenient. Number 2. Force One UFO 5000 Mini Drone. The Force One UFO 5000 is a beginner-friendly mini drone designed especially for kids and all skill levels. It features a 1080p camera and vibrant LED lights with 11 colors that can be flown indoors or outdoors at 3 adjustable speeds: low, medium, high. The drone offers easy controls with a 4-channel remote that supports multiple drones flying simultaneously, making it perfect for group play. Smart flying features like altitude hold and headless mode help new pilots maintain stable flight and easy navigation. This compact 5-inch by 5-inch drone includes 2 rechargeable batteries for a total of 16 minutes of flight time, plus spare propellers and tools for quick maintenance. Its safe and robust design includes protective propeller guards to ensure child safety. Recognized for blending fun with learning, the UFO 5000 received the 2022 STEM Authentication Award, making it an excellent educational toy that encourages hands-on learning and skill development. Number 3. Potensic Upgraded A20. The Potensic A20 mini drone is an ideal choice for beginners and kids, offering easy and fun flying with features like one-key takeoff, landing, and auto-hovering that keep the drone steady at a fixed altitude. It comes with 3 batteries, providing a total flight time of 15 to 18 minutes for extended play. The headless mode ensures you never lose orientation, making it simple to control no matter which way the drone is facing. With 3 adjustable speed levels, users can gradually build their flying skills. Its durable design includes 4 propeller guards to protect both the drone and users, as well as furniture and walls, making it safe for indoor use. Lightweight and compact, the Potensic A20 is a perfect gift for kids and anyone new to drone flying. Number 4. Cheerwing Syma X5SWV3 FPV Drone. The Cheerwing X5SWV3 is an upgraded drone featuring a 720p HD Wi-Fi camera that delivers better aerial photos and real-time FPV transmission for immersive first-person viewing via a smartphone app. Designed for ease and stability, it includes one-key takeoff, landing and altitude hold functions, making it accessible and stable even for beginners and kids. The drone can be controlled through its app without a remote, utilizing a built-in gravity sensor for intuitive flying by tilting your phone, and it also supports trajectory flight, allowing you to draw flight paths on the screen for autonomous flying. With 3D flips and dual-speed modes, it suits pilots of varying skill levels, perfect for fun racing games with family and friends. Built with durable ABS material and equipped with protective propeller guards, the Cheerwing X5SWV3 ensures both toughness and safety during flight. Number 5. Bezgar HQ051 Drone. The Bezgar HQ051 is a kid-friendly mini drone featuring upgraded LED lighting effects with bright strips inside that indicate flight directions and offer for flashing modes along with multiple color options. It comes with 2 rechargeable batteries that provide up to 16 minutes of flying time. This drone performs impressive 360-degree flips and rotations, delivering exciting stunt flying controlled by a 2.4 GHz non-interference remote with 3 adjustable speed levels, allowing multiple players to enjoy simultaneously. Easy to fly, It includes altitude hold for stable hovering and headless mode to help beginners avoid losing orientation. Ultralight and compact, it weighs less than an egg and fits comfortably in the palm of your hand, making it highly portable. For safety, its small propellers are protected by a circular guard to prevent injuries and propeller damage, making it an ideal gift and safe toy for kids 8 years and older.